Oh no, your basement is flooded and is getting worse. There are an estimated 1,200 gallons of water in your basement. A pump is set up, removing 4.5 gallons per minute. However, the water is leaking in at 1.2 gallons per minute. How long will it take for the pump to remove all the water? Will your insurance cover this fiasco? I hope so. You don't have to answer the second question. So if you look at the quantities we're dealing with, I think it's going to be fairly obvious. We are dealing with gallons per minute. And we have a couple things going and they're working against each other. We have a leak and then we have a pump. And here's what's really going to happen on this one. So we're going to have, let's word it a little bit differently. We're going to have water in. We're going to have water out. And then we're going to have together. Now, there is going to be a subtraction sign in there. So water in is positive, water out is going to be negative, which is why we have a subtraction sign. So this is minus, and that's equal another fraction. Okay, there's an estimated 1,200 gallons of water in your basement. Now, hold that thought. Let's just keep reading. A pump is set up and it removes. That's water out. 4.5 gallons per minute. So 4.5 I should say, 4.5 gallons for every minute. Let's make that decimal a little bolder and make it fit in a little bit better. 4.5 divided by 1. However, water is leaking in at 1.2 gallons per minute, so 1.2 per minute for every 1 minute. That's where the 1 comes from, for every 1 minute. And then how long will it take for the pump to remove all of the water? How long will it take the pump to remove all the water? Well, there's water still coming in. So what I'm going to have is I'm trying to remove 1,200 gallons of water. So I want to take away 1,200 gallons of water. So that's where this sentence comes in, and I don't know how long that will take. So this one has a really easy common denominator. It's x. So x, x, and x, and then that's going to cancel with that one, which leaves us with 1.2x minus 4.5x. That is negative 3.3x. And that's equal to negative 1,200. We're going to divide by negative 3.3, showing the work this time, don't know why. This one is a little bit tricky in the way that we have to think about what it really means. And again, because there's water in and water out, one of them is negative, water out is negative. And what are we trying to do? We're trying to remove 1,200 gallons. Again, that's why that's negative. So I have already divided this one, and I have 363.64 minutes. It's going to take a long time. Then will your insurance cover this? Don't know.